Hi Shables! I'm here today with a tutorial on how to make blue crab. Well, I have my recipe that I use to make for my blue crab, and I wanted to show you guys how to make it. Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, here are my blue crabs. They are already cleaned for you guys. You see, they're nice and clean, got all the yucky stuff out of it. But I know there's people that likes to eat the stuff that's inside, but me personally, I don't. It's already a hard time trying to clean them out, seeing it. But hey, I love my blue crab. Now, this is the seasoning that I use. I use ground white pepper. I use the Creole seasoning. The Old Bay, baby. Who doesn't love Old Bay? Crushed red pepper. I use the squeezed ginger because I find it's very easy to use. For me, it's very easy to use. Adobo. I use this on a lot of my meats. I love adobo seasoning. Garlic powder. And you guys, I use chicken broth. Chicken broth on my crabs. Okay, you guys, we're going to add our crab inside our pot. Pour it on in there. Spread it out just a little bit. Okay, next we're going to add. Let me put the camera this way. We're going to add our Old Bay. You can use as much seasoning as you want or less. We're going to add the Old Bay. We're going to add the adobo. We're going to add the Creole seasoning. Okay. We're going to add the garlic powder. Garlic powder. I love a lot of garlic, y'all. Garlic makes your food so good and it's healthy for you. We're going to add crushed red peppers. And you guys, you can add anything you want into your crabs. You don't have to do it like me, or you can do it like me, but you can add, something that you like in there. And we're going to add the ground white pepper. Just a little. Okay. Here's our ginger, the squeezed ginger that I use. Just a little bit fell in there already. Let's see. Just a little. Okay. Because that ginger is very, very, very strong. Ginger is strong, you guys. Also, I'm going to add the chicken broth. Here's the chicken broth. And you don't have to use the chicken broth that I use. You can use any chicken broth that you want. But I prefer this one. Okay. Add the chicken broth inside. And you guys, what I'm going to do is, okay, that's enough. I'm going to add a cup of water. Because the chicken broth is really strong. Any broth that you get can be very, very, very strong, you guys. Okay. So that's that. I'm going to turn on the heat. This is how our crab's looking, you guys. I cannot wait till these bad boys get done, baby. Yes. I think I'm going to add a little bit more of the Old Bay because I really love Old Bay, you guys. Old Bay is so, so good. I'm just going to add a little bit on the top. I'm going to sprinkle it on the top. Okay. You want it to be packed with so much flavor, you guys. And it's going to have so much flavor. And that's just prop on your top. So I'm going to let this cook for about 10 minutes. And then I'm gonna come back and check on it, okay? Hey, you guys, it's been about 10 minutes now. And we're gonna see how these babies look. Okay, you guys, I did add some butter in there. And I also, hold on. Woo. And I also added a bay leaf and a little bit of brown sugar. There goes the bay leaf right there, if you guys can see it in the butter. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to let this cook a little bit longer for another 10 minutes. And then it's ready to eat these bad boys. Look at those crabs. Looks so delicious and so flavorful. So what I have over here is I have some butter with garlic and a little bit of parsley inside. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the butter and just let it drip and let it fold and let it drip and let it fold. Yes. So there you have it, you guys. Blue crab, the way I make it. Enjoy. Hi, wait. Now you know I'm not for to leave this video without trying these bad boys. Let's try one of them. Y'all, you gotta try this. It's so good and so flavorful. Yes, baby, yes. The meat so sweet, so tender. Yes. Bye.